What is one thing that makes your car look so outdated, even though it might be the cleanest car on the block?
I don't know what.
Yellowed out headlights.
True.
And in this episode, we're fixing that problem.
I'm JP, and here I do car reviews, car mods install, mod reviews, and pretty much anything in between. So if you like that kind of content, consider subscribing and joining the community. This is Driving Production.
Welcome back to another episode of Driving Production. In this episode, we're going to be fixing the yellowed out headlights on my Mazda 3. And here with me is Nathan from Valliway. He does auto detailing and he deals a lot with yellowed out headlights. So tell me, Nathan, how are we actually going to fix the headlights?
So the first step we're going to do is we're going to sand them down, and then next time we're going to polish them, and then we're going to actually put some sort of protection on the headlights.
Okay, cool. Before we actually start, what are we actually going to need to do this headlight restoration?
Well, first thing you'll need is you'll need a clean headlight to start with. Once you clean it out, first thing you want to do is you want to tape around the headlight to protect the paint and plastic trim around it. Okay. Once you've done that, we need access to water because we will be wet sanding. We'll need the 1000 grit wet sanding paper, then moving on to a 2000 grit. Then after that, what we're going to need is some cutting compound and some polishing compound. I like to use my machine for it, my random orbital machine. You can also use a drill with attachments, that's no problem there. You also need the microfibers to wipe it down between stages.
Cool. And you said there's you need to protect it afterwards, eh?
Yeah, exactly. There's always been a lot of people that say that clear coating is the best way to protect it, but what seems to happen with clear coating is it seems to crack and peel throughout with time, right? And then it's even harder to restore your headlight afterwards because you need to remove all the clear coat that's there. So a lot of people, at the minimum, just try to put a good wax on it, or a good, maybe like a good polymer coating like this. I personally like to use Adams Polish's ceramic coating. Okay, nice. This here is rated for 7 years.
Okay, wow.
Protection. So this right here, definitely worth it, and definitely the cheat code now for protecting your headlights. Not a lot of people even do this so far, but honestly, it's the best way to protect, especially a high impact area like a headlight.
Okay, nice. So I'm looking forward to see everything in action and to see how it's going to turn out.
For the first step, guys, we're going to grab our 1000 grit sandpaper. We're going to get it nice and soaked in, all of the water in, and then we're going to wet the headlight down just as such. And what we want to do is we want to use a crosshatch technique, meaning we want to stroke it left and right and then up and down. So when doing this, you'll notice that as you're rubbing it down, it's going to become softer and softer. You want to keep rubbing it until it basically can't become any softer than what it is, and just letting the sandpaper do its thing. And you want to continuously rinse as you go. You'll see a lot of milky runoff come off. Keep rinsing that off and keep going at it. Now our final step here is going to be putting the coating on. So we're going to be doing a ceramic coating from Adams Polishes. You can get their kit on their website. This here is going to be the surface prep. So what we want to do is remove the oils here from the polishing compounds, right? So all we're gonna do here, very simple, we're just gonna spray it. It's an alcohol-based product. And we'll just go along here. Just make sure that it's completely free of any oils. One way you can check this is you'll feel like the headlight is actually kind of sticky in a sense, and you can hear it make noise like that. So next what we're going to do is we're going to take our applicator pad and we're going to put a couple of drops of the Adams polishes.
Alright, so everything is done. The headlights are all nice and shined up. Honestly, I am super excited on how things turned out. Nathan, you did such a great job. Thank you so much. If you guys want your car detail or any car detailing tips, go check Nathan out on his Instagram page or Facebook, or even his YouTube channel under Valliway, and he'll help you guys out with detailing, or even if you want your car detail in the area.
Of course.
And that's pretty much it for the episode today. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please consider giving a thumbs up. If you want to see more video like this one, consider subscribing and joining the community, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.